Hello guys, what's up? And once again, welcome back to sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys, for today's video is gagawa na naman tayo ng reaction video tungkol sa ating kababayan na si Angel Abiliar. Yes, siya po ay kumanta ng meron siyang cover song, Immortality by Celine Dion. So pakinggan natin guys, dahil isa to sa mga sikat na gumagawa ng cover song ngayon. So let's go.
So this is who I am, and this is all I know, and I must just live for all that I can give. The spark that makes the power grow.
Sobrang sarap pakinggan ng boses niya guys, sobrang lamig. So akalain nyo guys, kahit hindi siya hindi siya gumagamit ng recording or yung studio talaga. So sobrang ang galing ng boses niya, sobrang sarap, sobrang lamig ng pagkakanta niya.
And I will stand for my dream if I can, symbol of my faith in who I am. You are my only, and I must fall from the lines ahead, and I won't let my heart control my hand. You are my only, and we don't say goodbye, and we don't say goodbye.
Imagine nyo, hindi siya yung ginamit lang niya na mic is yung sa tingin ko yung mumurahin lang, pero sobrang ganda ng ang ganda ng quality ng poses niya.
And I know what I've got to be. Immortality. I make my journey through eternity. I keep the memory of you and me inside. Fulfill your destiny. Is there within a child? Must do.
Parang gusto kong matulog sa boses niya, sobrang sarap talaga pakinggan.
Never end. My faith is on the wind. The king of hearts, the joker's wild. And we don't say goodbye, and we don't say goodbye. I'll make them all remember me, 'cause I have found.
Dito kasi sa Pilipinas guys, kahit parang lalong-lalo na pag weekend, so sobrang daming kumakanta, parang araw-araw po talaga is mala grand finals. So siguro isa na to si Angel Abiliar sa palaging kumakanta, like Bijoki, sa ganon, sa singing contest, kaya sobrang namihasa yung boses niya.
A dream that it must come true. Every ounce of me must see it through. You are my only. I'm sorry I don't have a role for love to play, and over my heart I'll find my way. I will make them give to me. Immortality.
Wait.
There is a vision
Wait.
of fire.
Di ba? sobrang lapig, sobrang sarap pakinggan. So yun nga guys, at napakinggan natin yung boses ni Miss Angel Abiliar na taga Bohol. So alam niyo guys, dito sa Pilipinas, bihira lang po yung hindi kumakanta kahit yung boses mo, boses palaka. So talagang dito sa Pilipinas kasi sobrang taas ng confident ng mga tao dito. So kahit hindi ka marunong kumanta, ang importante is marunong ka lang magbasa, yun na po. So parang pag nandito ka sa Pilipinas, kahit hindi ka marunong kumanta, so talagang matututo kang kumanta kasi nga yung mga kasama mo, so magiging impluwensya sila sa iyo at ayun nga, kahit hindi ka marunong kumanta, so mapapakanta ka talaga. So sa Pilipinas kasi guys, we always love music. Kahit hindi naman kami mahal ng musika, at hindi naman lahat talaga ng Pilipino marunong kumanta. Yung iba is natutunan lang talaga. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys, and kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down below. So maraming salamat, thank you for watching.